Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have Dr. Rahita Sharma, the head of the Department of Fine Arts in LPU, and here we have the talk show with her and hope it is excitedly waited and we'll begin the talk now. Hello ma'am,
Hi.
I hope you're doing well.
Yeah, I'm doing well.
Yes ma'am, I have been excited and waiting for you to have this privilege to talk to you since there are lots of people who have been waiting to know more about fine arts because they just see but they don't know the in-depth what is really happening in fine arts.
Sure, we are
So
going to discuss on this topic, and definitely it is going to be worthwhile for everyone.
that's great. So it's
My
a
pleasure.
privilege to have this time, and without losing and wasting time, I would like to put a few concerns that I have. So I
Sure.
hope you're ready for that. So to begin with, initially, we can see that the society sees fine arts in different way.
Yes.
But as an academician, I would like to know your perspective, how you find fine arts and what is the people's side on the fine arts. Would you like to explain this in short, ma'am?
As you are saying that it's related to the pupil's perspective, definitely they think that it's only a general lifestyle. No, everyone is doing well in that, and more special thing that in fine arts department we have different specialization like painting, photography, applied arts, sculpture, and printmaking. So you can see that there are different arts, right? So
Yes.
different specializations too. So the students can do marvelous job in these categories.
What an artist can do after passing out their graduation
Very
from the
good
fine
question,
arts.
Kilon. Actually, uh, education is very important, definitely.
Yes.
But what about education? When you have completed your graduate and postgraduate, definitely you want to do some job.
Absolutely.
So it's myth that the fine arts student can't do anything. But now we have strongly not recommended this statement because our students are doing marvelous job, and 99% students are placed in my department because there are some jobs in that. We can see the students are placed at international levels too. So this is the plus point. This is the main thing because my team is doing wonders. So that's why
wonderful.
we can say that the wonders are the part of my department. The students are placed at good places.
Before I conclude, I would like to come to the first point that I have asked you regarding the common people view on fine arts, and how would you try to promote fine arts to the people so that you can convey this message that they will find the importance of fine art in the society in this competitive world.
You can understand it by your daily routine because you can see from day to night we have so many elements which is related to the fine arts.
Yes.
And in present time it is not only limited to aesthetic, which is just limited to my room or my area or my
Exactly.
office or my society, but definitely it is the part where we can see the development through art. So many messages you can see that done by the students of fine arts in the different terms, as different wall arts are there, different newspaper, magazine, so many things are related with that, and these are the areas are related to the fine arts. Definitely even the artists are doing a lot. They are creating different beautiful paintings in that term, and you can see that the photography is not apart from that, and every day we can see so many beautiful picture on our screen, on our TV also. So definitely it's a part of pleasure, and animated movies are there. In movies also our students are getting jobs for their studio and stage and so many other things. So it's not limited to the house or the home decor or the aesthetic pleasure, but yes, it's demand of the society present time.
That's a very clear information that I have from you. I would like to know more about arts, but time could not allow us to go further. So I would like to conclude with this, with lots of thanks for the information you have provided. And today I would like to conclude that fine arts is not just for a livelihood, it's not just for aesthetic purpose, but it's a way of life, a profession that everybody can pursue. Some people may say that, fine arts could be gained just with the inborn talent, but everybody who has the intention to learn can go for fine arts and can do great creativity out of fine arts. So it's a very big day today, and we have Rohita Sharma ma'am, who is having this very very productive time with us. And I believe that fine arts will not just be a mere subject, but a way of life and a profession that everybody can pursue and make the world change. Thank you so much.
Think Big, Lovely Professional University.